Introduce highlight features or overview summary of misting 15 pods hydroponic growing system, herb garden kit indoor. There are key features include innovative atomizing tech, 50% faster germination. The 2024 newest hydroponic grow system features cutting-edge misting water pump that finely atomizes water and nutrients, boosting oxygen levels in the water by 80% and enhances nutrient delivery to plant roots, improving root absorption efficiency by 50%. This ensures faster, more robust plant growth with well-developed roots. Quiet heated herb garden, 50% faster germination. This herb garden features a near-silent pump that increases water temperature by about 35 to 39 degrees Fahrenheit based on indoor conditions during operation, ensuring optimal winter growth conditions. This boosts seed germination speed by 50% compared to traditional models, even in colder months. The system cycles between 30 minutes of misting and 30 minutes of rest, operating with 90% less noise than typical systems for efficient, quiet performance. Unburdened watering, low maintenance. Hydroponic system features a 5-liter tank that needs refilling only every 2 to 3 weeks, ideal for busy users or travelers. Includes AC/DC adapter, manual, 2 solid nutrients, 15 planting sponges, and growth domes, making it easy to grow a variety of plants with minimal upkeep. Note: the 5-liter tank only shows markings at 1.22 and 2.5 liter due to a factory oversight. Rest assured, you received the correct product. It still holds 5 liter even without the 5-liter line. Smart timing lights, 5x faster growth. Our indoor garden kit comes with full-spectrum LED lights and 3 growth modes: seedling, vegetative, and flowering. It speeds up plant growth by up to 5 times compared to soil, making it perfect for winter or low-light conditions. With a programmable timer, just set it once and let your plants flourish with little to no effort. More pods, more growing space. Our indoor kit supports up to 15 plants, exceeding the traditional 8 or 12 pod limits. Meet your diverse planting needs. Adjustable pole extends to 20.8 inches, ensures perfect lighting for all plant sizes, from herbs to vegetables, offering ample space for healthy, abundant growth. Ideal for home gardeners and thoughtful gifts. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.